Good day, sir and madam. My name is Jacqueline Fernando, 41 years old, married, blessed with three children, high school graduate. I work a household in Philippines for 3 years and 4 months. I serve one couple with three child. Sir and ma'am, my main duties are cooking, taking care of children, marketing, sewing, cleaning the house. I work abroad as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 4 years and 2 months. I serve seven with five child. Uh, Sir and ma'am, my duties are uh, cooking, uh, gardening, car wash, cleaning the swimming pool, cleaning the house, including take care of pet. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm loyal, trustworthy, honesty, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities and follow the rules. Thank you, sir and ma'am.